Hey guys, Richard here. So in this video I want to show you how you can get free traffic to any offer on Paykickstart using YouTube. Now this is something I do every single day. You can see by this image here that I made a lot of commissions on Paykickstart, and it's, to be honest, one of my favorite affiliate marketplaces that I actually find high quality products to actually promote. Now in my last video I showed you around the marketplace, so I'm not going to do that again. I'll leave a link to that on the right hand side here in the description below. But what I want to do in this one is really dive into Paykickstart, find an offer, and then show you how I would actually promote that offer on YouTube. So guys, I just jumped inside. Now you can see that I am actually still making money on this network. Basically, if I go ahead and I go to the affiliate links, this is going to show me the products that I'm presently approved for and which I can actually promote on this particular network. So if you come down, I want to show you one of the vendors I promote most often on Paykickstart, which is Philip Barrowman. He's really my mentor and the coach that really helped me build the business I have online today. Now I'm actually going to show you the simple traffic blueprint as a good example, because this is actually a product that teaches you how to build a business, specifically using YouTube as a traffic source. So I will leave the link in the description below. It is well worth checking out the simple traffic blueprint. But we're going to actually go ahead and look at this as an example, and I'm going to show you how I actually promote this. Now this is obviously a product on Paykickstart. So if I click on this, once you have the approval to promote these types of products, you can have all different types of links on these products that you can use as a promotion. So this is your affiliate link, for instance, and this is the link you would use along with YouTube to actually promote this particular product. So let's jump into Funnelytics. I'm actually going to show you what the funnel that I use looks like when I'm promoting these types of products. So here's the funnel. Now this is a very simple way that you can drive traffic to any product on Paykickstart. You're going to use YouTube and you're going to be creating product reviews. Now product reviews are very valuable because they allow people to see what's inside a product before they go ahead and decide to purchase it. Now for you, all you need to do is show them the product, show them how it works, what the training's like, if it's some kind of software, what the software actually does, and they'll get great value out of that. Now, once you have that product review, you actually leave a link in the description of the video, which I will show you, and they come over and they can go one of a couple of ways that allows you to actually make a commission. The very easiest way, and probably the easiest way if you're first starting out and you're learning how to do product reviews, is just to send them directly to the sales page of the product and let them purchase that particular product if they like the product. Now, this is a very good way that you make commissions, because every time somebody actually purchases, you will get a commission for doing that. But it's not a great way to build a business over the long term, because what happens is every time they come to the sales page, if they make a purchase, then that purchaser will actually be gone and they won't actually be connected with you in any way unless they come along to a different video of yours and do the same. So you tend to lose a lot of buyers by doing it this way, although it's an easy way to actually start out. The better way to start out is by actually having some form of bridge page or opt-in page between your product review and the actual sales page of the product you want to review. So you have this bridge page here. It may offer some kind of bonuses. It may offer a free gift to actually get people to opt in to your particular email list before they're sent off to the sales page. And again, guys, I'll show you an example of this. Once they opt in, they'll be sent directly to the sales page, and in the meantime you will have their email address and you can set up an email sequence that actually reminds them of the product and service that you want to promote and gives them various pieces of information about that particular product, and then you can send them back to the sales page, which again, if people are busy, they can almost be reminded later on via email about the product, and it will allow them to come back to the sales page and make that purchase. Now if you do have a bonus attached to this, you have a bonus in your bridge page, Paykickstart actually has an area in Paykickstart which I'll show you about in my next video, when I give you a little bit more details about how this is all built in my next video, which you can put your bonus page link into so they can be directly connected to your bonus page once they've made that purchase. So you don't have to worry about this. Basically, your job is to do a really good product review and drive people over to the bridge page and let that actually do the work. So this is a little bit more advanced. Again, if you check out the simple traffic blueprint, all of this will be explained to you. in great detail and you'll be able to set all of this up, but I just want to show you a real life example of what this funnel actually looks like. So the first thing is your YouTube video. Now don't worry about the fact that I'm on screen here. You don't need to be on screen when you're doing these types of videos. In fact, I'm not on screen now, and you can either get a free access to this if you're a little bit more experienced, or you can just buy the product yourself and actually review the product, which is probably the better thing to do because it shows that people can trust you and you've actually seen inside the product. You go inside the product and you basically demonstrate the product so that people can see exactly what it does, what the training's like. If there's certain types of training, make sure you do all the training so that you can give a really accurate assessment of the training. And then if it's a software, you just demonstrate the software. And it's as simple as that, guys. If there's any other OTOs that are attached to the product, you tell people about the OTOs, and then you just remind them at the beginning of your review and at the end that if you want to buy this particular product, or if you're interested in the bonuses that you have to offer, you can go ahead and hit the link in the description, and if they're interested, they will come over to that particular link. Now, just a bit of a word of advice here, guys. You do see a lot of people, especially the make money online niche, offering lots and lots of different bonuses as if that's going to get them more sales. If I was you, I'd be a little bit more patient than that. I would actually just build up a really good following on your channel and do lots of different reviews so that YouTube really understands what your channel's about, and then only add bonuses that are really going to be helpful to people. Don't start adding lots of different PLR type bonuses. And you'll see the bonus that I add on this particular product, and you can see that it's really congruent with the product itself. So basically, guys, if you ask them to hit the link in the description below, they're going to hit this link here. Now, this is a page that I have that is my bridge page. Now, I have two versions of this page. One, I don't ask for an opt-in. Generally, I send these types of pages out to my list because they're already on my list, and it's just a way that they can go ahead and read about the product, look at my review again, and actually look at the bonuses I got to offer. Or I could have this type of page, which actually has got an opt-in here. So both of the pages will go off to the sales page after they've clicked the green button, but this opt-in allows me to capture details of people that aren't already on my list. Now, if I just go back to the original page, basically what this is going to do is it's going to give you a little bit more information about the product that I couldn't mention in my review, and then it's going to give you some bonuses. Now, this happens to be a bonus where I'm going to offer myself up as a mentor, which allows me basically to coach people through this particular process. Now, I do a lot on YouTube, and I have built a pretty good channel now. It's got over 7,000 subscribers, and I know this channel makes me money every day through AdSense and through commissions, so I know what I'm talking about here. So I offer myself up as a mentor. And then the second thing is I tell people about some profitable niches that they can get started with. So this type of strategy you can use with any type of niche. If there's products in that niche, you can do reviews, you can do value videos explaining about that particular niche, and basically make money through commissions. It's a really, really easy way to get started. So basically, they're the types of bonuses I have offered, and you can see that they're not some kind of crappy PLR, they're not some kind of bonus I picked out of the air to try and give people. They are actually applicable to this particular product because I know I can give you more value if people go ahead and purchase it. So that's what's happening here, guys. So far I've showed you the video I've had and the bridge page. Now, once they have seen the bridge page, if they want to go ahead and click this, it goes over to the sales page, and this is where if they actually go ahead and purchase this, I will make that commission. So you can see really all you need to do is make that review video, which once you started and you understand the format of a review video, which by the way, if you want to see how people do review videos, just go ahead and click around on my channel and watch a few of my reviews, and you can see the kind of overall process I use for my reviews. Once you understand that and you have your page in place, then people will come along and search for the products that you want to promote. And you can see on this particular one, I've done several reviews of the Simple Traffic Blueprint. This one has had over 1,900 views over the last year, and there are several different versions of this video. So I know that it does get a lot of search traffic on this particular video. In fact, I probably need to renew this video and actually the page so I can freshen this all up. So guys, I hope you found that useful. Basically, when you're looking at Paykickstart, any of these products on here you could be doing reviews on. All you need to do is click on the product itself, get that affiliate link, purchase that product. If you don't understand what the product's all about, get inside it and then show people how that product actually works. It's super easy, guys, and it's a great strategy to make money with an affiliate network like Paykickstart. I hope that was valuable to you guys. My name is Richard Darby. This is School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you want to learn this strategy in great detail, hit the link in the description below over to the simple traffic blueprint, and it will show you how to do this click by click. Until next time, guys, take care.